Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to collect log files and event viewers from your Windows 10 devices when it's being managed by Microsoft Intune. So the log files and event viewer related to Intune. So as you can see here, I have my Windows 10-005 computer. It's Azure AD Join, and it's also managed by Microsoft Intune, and the compliant is yes. So I'm going to go to this workstation and run a command line to collect the log files. Let's go back to my test device here. And this is the Windows machines. As you can see here, it is joined to Azure. Click on Info. Area managed by Contoso. And connection info. Device sync status. So to collect the log files related to Microsoft Intune, you need to go to the command prompt. You can type in MDM diagnostic tools. This is the command line. You can hit space and /? It's give you the syntax of how to run it. There's usage 1, there's usage 2, and there are usage 3. You can run it and it's going to create a CAR file for you. So you want to make sure you run MDM diagnostic tool /area autopilot TPM /cap. This is the name of the cap file, and this is where you want to store it. So for this video, I'm just going to run the easy one, which is the usage 1. So it's going to create a folder for me out dash out, and then the location of the output is, it's going to be, we'll call it Intune files. You need to put another dash, I'm sorry, another / after the file, the folder. So once you hit enter, it's going to create a bunch of files for you. It's going to take a few seconds. Let's open up that folder, Intune files. As you can see, it's already created the folder and the files for me. So it's still collecting more data. That's why you see it is still running. I'm going to wait until it's finished. So if you look at these files here, these are event log. If you click on it, it's going to open up the event viewer. Let me give it a try. And this one is the HTML file. So the event viewer log, it's opening up the event viewer, and the HTML file will open up your browser. And also that's XML file. So you need to send all these files. You can zip it up by let's see, Control A. You can zip it, you can compress it and send it to a zip file. So it looks like it's still running. I'm going to pause the recording and we'll come back. Just want to show you what it looks like when it's finished. All right, look like it's finished. And let's go back to my log files. So there's pretty small. There's 1,000 kilobyte. Yep. So that's it. That's how you collect the Microsoft Intune log files on your Windows 10 devices. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have a great day.